Tips and Tricks about the ZZ Plant by Focus New York. Also known as the Zamioculcas zamifolia. Origin, Eastern and Southern Africa. You've probably noticed the ZZ plant's beautiful glossy foliage, but did you know these plants grow from rhizomes that store water to help them survive drought-like conditions? Equally attractive and hardy, they're used to harsh environments and can withstand periods of neglect. Common issues. Leaf burn, most often a result of improper watering or very low humidity. This is not reversible damage, but can be removed with scissors and a careful hand. Yellow or pale green new leaves. This is typically a symptom of excessively low light. Leggy stems. This is also a symptom of excessively low light, as your plant grows awkwardly as it stretches towards a light source. Care instructions. Light. These plants respond best to bright, indirect light, so take advantage of any eastern or western exposures in your home. They are also tolerant of low light, surviving for long periods of time if their watering schedule is adjusted accordingly. Water. These plants like their soil to dry out slightly between waterings. Water your plant only when the top 2 inches of soil are dry to prevent root rot. Humidity. ZZ plants will maintain their foliage best in high humidity scenarios. Low humidity can cause the leaves to start browning. Growth. These herbaceous plants will grow slowly to about 2 feet tall. Their leaves are pinnately divided, meaning that their leaflets are arranged side by side along a common axis, like barbs on a feather. Soil. ZZ plants like well-drained soil, so adding bark or perlite to your potting mix is a good idea. Since these plants are almost constantly growing, a mild, slow-release fertilizer should be used once or twice a year. Avoid overfertilizing, which can burn leaf tips as nutrients build up in the roots. Temperature. These are tropical plants and their leaves can be damaged by cold temperatures or drafts. Ideally, you should keep your ZZ plant between 65 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Repotting. Repotting should be done infrequently. Gently tip your ZZ plant on its side to remove it from the pot and gently brush off any old soil. Don't pull straight up, or you might badly damage your plant's roots. Make sure the new pot is only slightly larger to avoid instability as your plant adopts its new home. We would love to hear how your ZZ plant is doing, so drop a comment below with any updates or questions. And don't forget to hit subscribe.